Stop scrolling. This adorable animal has one of the strongest backs in the animal kingdom. Meet the wombat, a powerful marsupial native to Australia. Wombats spend most of their lives underground, digging long tunnels that protect them from predators and extreme weather. They use their strong claws to dig and can even block tunnel entrances with their tough armored backsides to keep enemies out. Quiet, strong, and full of surprises, the wombat is one of nature's most fascinating engineers. Subscribe for more amazing animal wild facts.